Happy learning!
Hello kiddos! Today we are going to learn and write small alphabets. Let's write the small letter A. Let's start. Start at the middle. Make a curve reaching the bottom. Next, go to the middle again and draw a standing line toward with a small curve at the bottom. Let's try it again. Curve, standing line and curl. Now you try. Now check if you did it right. Well done! Now you know how to write the small letter A. Next time we will write the small letter B. See you on our next video. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching. Like and share. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon.